Welcome back to Crypto Market Forecast, where we dive into the latest trends on October 16th, 2024, news and forecasts in the world of cryptocurrency. I'm Jellyfish Z, your host, and today we have quite a lot to unpack, from Bitcoin's bullish momentum to Ripple's new stablecoin launch, and even some updates on upcoming ETFs that could shake up the market. So, let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about Bitcoin. Over the past 24 hours, we've seen some solid gains with Bitcoin nearing that big $68,000 mark, its highest since the end of July. It's up around 2% recently, sitting at $67,004. Now, what's driving this? Well, it seems like renewed investor optimism is playing a huge role. We're also seeing more interest in riskier assets, following some better-than-expected third-quarter earnings. But there's more to it than that. It's also an exciting time for Bitcoin, as we're seeing both major U.S. presidential candidates leaning pro-crypto. Standard Chartered even suggested that we might see Bitcoin hit a new all-time high before the U.S. election on November 5th. So, all eyes are definitely on Bitcoin right now. Now, shifting gears to some other major players. Ethereum, Cardano, Ripple's XRP, and Binance Coin all have a somewhat mixed outlook. In the very short term, we're expecting a slightly bullish trend for these coins. However, over the next week, that could turn bearish. So, if you're holding any of these, it might be a good time to think about your positions and strategy. On a related note, Litecoin recently saw a 6.4% spike, bringing its price to around $71. This comes right after an application for the first Litecoin ETF was filed. That's big news. If the ETF gets approved, it could bring some serious institutional interest to Litecoin, potentially giving it a nice boost. And speaking of new developments, Ripple Labs just launched its US dollar-pegged stablecoin, Rlust. Ripple's entry into the stablecoin market puts it in competition with others like PayPal's PYUSD, which has been growing rapidly. Stablecoins continue to attract interest, particularly for those looking to move between crypto and fiat with less volatility. Another thing to watch is Grayscale's move to convert their digital large-cap fund into an ETF. That fund includes a basket of 20 top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, and Solana. If approved, this ETF could offer a diversified entry point into crypto for investors who might be cautious about diving into single coins. Now, let's not overlook the potential impact of the U.S. presidential election on crypto. With both Kamala Harris and Donald Trump being viewed as pro-crypto, the market might react positively regardless of the outcome. Interestingly, on Poly Market, Trump is currently leading Harris by over 16 percentage points. So, keep an eye on the political landscape, as it's likely to affect market sentiment in the coming weeks. To sum it all up, Bitcoin seems poised for more gains, especially with the possibility of reaching a new all-time high in the near future. Altcoins like Ether, Cardano, and Binance Coin may see short-term gains, but they could face some headwinds in the week ahead. For Litecoin, the pending ETF decision is worth watching, as it could be a game-changer. That's it for today's episode of Crypto Market Forecast. Be sure to tune in next time for more updates and forecasts. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a review if you enjoyed this episode. Thanks for listening and happy trading.